Benny, we're learning past tense. So you want to plus ed. Benny, look, Benny, he played games. Now why don't you try, okay? Here you go. What are you doing?
I like a hands-on approach to my learning.
You like hands-on? What else do you like?
What else do I like? I don't like math. I don't like broccoli. I like science.
So let me get this straight. You like hands-on science?
Yup.
Here at TeachME, we have a new class which focuses on science hands-on. It's hands-on science. Want to give it a shot?
I'll sleep on it.